Welcome to On Tuesdays We Train. I'm Nick Griffin, an outside sales rep here at PM in Indianapolis. Today we're going to be going over the features and benefits of Centrotherm. First and foremost, Centrotherm handles higher temperatures than what your PVC will when doing gas venting. Basically keeps everybody in the house safe, gives you peace of mind. So paramount importance there. Secondly, lightweight. So as a contractor, when you're doing your installs, easier to move it around, work with it, manipulate it, whatever you need to do to get the job done. Thirdly, gasket fit. So it just pops right into place there and sets itself with this water-based lubricant. Fourthly, it's an immediate fire. There is no cure time, so once you set it, this lubrication, once the water dries and evaporates, it seizes and you're locked in ready to go and you can fire the unit. It's also pre-sloped, so your 90 degrees become 87s, your 45s become 43s, making work with it even easier there. And lastly, this is in stock with several of our wholesalers in each of our markets. So with that being said, if you'd like more info on Centrotherm or any other products PM represents, please visit our website at p-massoc.com, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for weekly training videos.